After much prayer and months of careful thought, I've decided that next season, season 25, will be the last season of The Oprah Winfrey Show. I know now that I am where I am because I always believed I could get here. Always believed it.
Welcome to the very first National Oprah Winfrey Show!
As your journey charts horizons and you dream new dreams, walk on with your head held high. May your light shine so bright for all the world to see. May you look back with fond memories. As for us left behind, true the sun will set and the moon will rise, but we won't forget. Just look on with great hope. Let love lead the way. Just have faith. Let love lead the way. Just believe in yourself. Love will never lose its way if you just let love lead the way. As you search for your new tomorrow, believe in what you feel and give the greatest part. Love is always standing